finally got myself a Master Lock 3. But this one seems... Actually, it doesn't seem different. It is different. It's the same keyway that I've seen for the newer Master Locks. But I was unaware that they have ball bearings now, keeping the shackle closed. There we go. Now you can see it. Right to there. I thought they just had the regular shimmable locking. I just forgot the word. Locking pulse. But oh well. Let's see. I haven't tried bypassing this, just single picking it. Whoa. Nice thing is, with this one, pin 1 is already set. You gotta... Whoop, I slid off. Pin 2. And my tension wrench. There we go. So pin 1 set. Pin 2. Pin 3. And I overset it. Well, it's kind of embarrassing. There you go. What? 2? Sorry. I guess it is true. As soon as the camera's on, nothing goes to plan. Like I was saying, when I first got this, I opened it in like under 30 seconds. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. Really? It is still working. Well, then again, it is early in the morning for me, so very early. 2, 3. Oh my god. Okay, maybe way too early for me. 2, 3, 4. There we go. Finally. It's like the Master Lock 140 I have. Off camera, no problem. As soon as I turn the camera on, nope, can't do it. But anyways, I guess that was that. So, see you next time.